Okay, let's do it like this now. Young fast that can say my proud sponsors na fe min twa homa ntum en twa ne oppose is here Kojak Pharma Limited Kojak Pharma Limited Kojak Pharma Limited Omo ne my the original pro code eno na onsa kan bia flu etuna se code a year free no why free Bankrofo twa bi agum okromu eno enye original imitation one hwe ye obekonom sa odi 2 eye code ni flu ase bebe wi ase no wasa akoto yare afoforo de ama ho etipacho auto amwani na auto original pro code PROCOLD but Kojak ena logo no bo ho KOJACH omukura na my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a fake Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Say near you soon. Why are now seven film who dear de pa na dear she and na dear nua? Ish. Na etete wo. Wo no ube yusu Kojak F toothpaste. Na ode the mouthwash no adjugene tata kakra. Basa kobasa ode no chese pains near severe pa. I thought that crowd would choose na moja crown so say phone bar. The patrol used to Kojak P to paste no. Now efa ne mouthwash no account kakra. Na bibia be fine. But open best result party. How they use for 4 weeks. Actually no switch it to Kojak F no. Then so they are to so akopem se bibia be fine. Se be ne betimi akoyie di amount. I am on sanka Kojak sensitive toothbrush ne fa ka ho. Ebe bo adwuma na man tentem pa. They are available. Our pharmacy shops are doing in them. Open do now do near your kind drug lane. Free 0249 209 920. Afi 0260 870 780. FDIS ankra tu mu hwemu agya tum sampa emu da ho na ya correct. As they do I farmer DBS Industries Limited on my DBS roofing sheet. Messi Kromu a chance in bia no e de board dance so a papa chen we. Ya so hwe ne ehunu. E board dance so amasa o feel say a guy. Because from day one said you auto and sanet ya o dey fa areas ni bibia. New places here asha say developing. Oh. Udo bon said dan exist wo no. Ebi one mo be board dance so a penti ya utumi dan twa bright here fe pa. But 6 months down the lane, we dey corner kwhwa de. Obe corner chance no kala na ho apa. Na ne fe no so ate na ni onyam ni naira. DBS for the entisa. Kala no enfedi empili of mpona campus chance na rust. Enu na ubeto bia na amount 20-year warranty also. And for now, be chances or the cupboard dance of amount 20 years warranty 20 years. There be a see that 5 years ago, Grawunya. Edition Chiakon was Spring Test Road, never the chance papa for board dance. So Colorlink Plus roofing sheet, pre-coated roofing sheet, original. There was Sprinters Road, Ofie Kwanso du Papa restaurant. Bet me afraid 0204 344 561. Afraid 0240 844 444. Ebe just ni abon komo ni abo. As they do on air call their man Guaranty Trust Bank Ghana Limited. Adom ko we jina na so yi pa. The most innovative and technology advanced bank. Just a bank on one nam abe for Kwanso at the end to ya just to me say ejina na so yi pa no any GT bank. Say star 737 hash. Star service no na call. Etin crofo ham hon say fuel na ko di traffic mu ansan ko pie banking hon na ko join long queue that be. You do it on your phone. Social office, social fee, baby, you can bank with us. And now, so about star 737 hash. Now, I follow prompts and trust now. Be fine. And now, to be account for cry on your mobile phone. Put me link your account no with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Guaranty Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Papa. I first did you am from Farmer Trust Limited. I do my query meet you almost one sorry because Omo Boama and Maya Mapa. Oh, yes. Tie Edro number 1. Healthy Link Hair, Nails and Skin. Oba skin be toso, e be fair. Toko na soko. Koko mrongo. Tuntum se yo. Oba na to say sham. Na utimi na nunu anet tene bubu ni na bejai. Afu se faka. Fefe tintin se secha homa. Na fe o mo na ya na ekurukuru na ya star bi no. Ni na bejai. O mo ni ba be fu finger no so say afu ai fefe kama na wa shape nu se de open no. Obi hu na nam sa na ni jan ya kra beka se wa kwhye hwan bi so won hye hwan acrylic de bia wa natural pa na de na mo ti oba bia mpa bia chi akwan afi your healthy link healthy woman wo minu aba wa ware se secret ni se oba bia ware ya na krofo hwanim kwan se baby number 1 nam kwan so ba na ade oh and I was saying no bu a abrabom pressure ntino baby number 1 basa na actually now if you yes a pesika kakra business a wo trim no adwum na is kas ti by the time I be wa so second born be ma the boss na say e kam kakra ne ade a e basa pe no anom healthy link healthy woman e be boost fertility no ti be ma de no kan wa ta na ho adane ade ne bo wani mi say pampe wona mo na de den agi chiasa. And also, lower the chances of getting any heart-related problem. Not just a boost immune system, no so. Now, improve blood flow. Umpewi na pedia. Then when you check, hama oba. Ne crack no. Healthy Link menopause tablet. And no dey den a won chen bo oba. Ye den ube nya du baby ube twabra nya de a ube kofichire biem. Na sa time when you do one more. A man I am hadrin. One your bab be pa when you do penny fee so etifie now would do the menopause one share said you be see a crack and I want her because we bay for. I'm telling you. Because they do hey trouble penny. What done I do I wonder excessive sweating be near the idea. Adia kit will be an irritating. I told that one more say I said Bibi war me name I said in Namda Doaso. Edu baby wa to say mechi I say obi asujegu mechi sheme o say obi dia de abo mitrim en e bifiefo na yemi o chese ensem bebre ya homete keke but so bomodin na o mano healthy link menopause tablet ibia e yi sa symptoms we nyina fi o man ho tono se be ya na dwo be dana mo so da bi na ja my de on be why eti bomodin apabia chi akwan pharmacy shops out where try ho ahia nyina o man afana ba bia obenya en product ibi for pedodo dia Farmer Trust pharmacies ahodo ni nyina mu dodo bia ohia bia no sabeka. It is now 3:45 on 106.3 FM. Yeah, ogusu awuti Ofie Kwanso. Ejesi ai ko ide na ahoma na bibia tumu no. E pacho yemfa course ne nche. So why you ready pass up person dey ready as a wie ya. Mahonya Hasisia 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562 and now 0268 499 347. Katu mianko. Wabra ye to check ese dia ma transition. Almost can be. Any ade offend kan ni radia ye bro. So this year be free mu a from day one kosi da ebe na yi no. Ebe ye jama transition for ni hu dwuma wa. Ye dey abin pa ye expect tin your friend the funeral people. Ye be hwa krakra mu no dia ma kama enuro papa ese ye de bobɔ no se de be a ade ne nsɛn ye be ni na krakra no fine till the day ye be de da no ye koyia ba na ye funeral square de fan crofo ye de fafun ba kra ma za hu a ma se jai obi kura page de any wedding cars no ma se jai o gam pa ba se to say yes abrochi yeah would jai where you are the man ye yen se abrochi yi no enya hibia so na otua wo de wo fa hachokwa no so ayi atomic road ho no aya hwe be hwe premises wo urade ho fewu hye dan kama pa se be boa wo na gya wo so de hye obebo bra no o kɔ ne krachi no na yiyo na ye de gya no kwan bibia be ya nyunyam hye na kyese e beti wanim kama pa tia no ahwe echi akwan na ne dinkita ho transition the funeral people and a member of the enterprise group ye do almost wasepa ye fa your first caller wa homa no so your friend no Steven Ojina Kaswa Steven say hello Steven. Hello Steven Boko there.
Hello.
Pacho
obi ba jeke ni.
Ani na tia fa so. Obi ba jeke.
Yes, awuria.
Boko there.
Nyamia dum boko pa.
Ye de nyamia se.
Tanze ono no boss robot ati no. Ehute nyamia utumi ade nyina ye no. Pakejo so ama da foforo atifei. Asa da tuya. Mene me yire obapa ama Sarah. Eni ne manyina mo wankan bodua kwatia ba bia. Ye nyina bom ade ateda ni kabea. Ema obo ade no. Aseda ene de man adum ti. Amen. Ye da sepa. Yankota bani yankofa do the do. Video design.
Jerry.
Boko there.
When I'm watching you.
Oh, I there na ba.
Let's say, very much small bit on Koto, Rambo to be embracing. Wakoto Kobe na buy atutu. Me go Beni na am da nyamiase. Say me da work kwa maja.
Asa me granny. Eh da nyamiase me ko na we dey. Abroad. Yeah do.
Jim FM.
Do that do go any. Yeah.
I'm say last 2 weeks one music program no. No wakofa. We put I just akwa di there. But anyway, let's thank God for the day.
Yes.
I no pay my sorry up to the time I'm no born come. She fear.
Yeah.
And then you then that's why.
You. Amen. Do the do. Do the do any na. One J. Yanko fa Lizzie Onungwa. Hello Lizzie.
Hello Bradley.
That's saying.
Adom so.
Me so me ho ye pa dominanti. Lizzie mpacho yentio.
Oh, yeah, the nyamia say. So when him say, "Kanka ekasika nko a ye nya for there." Oh. Gabadi say and na mote wa ye usa ma ya say. And so adom no ye nya ya da kisia. The nyamia say. Oh, nya ye. O sha ye so na afino nkonko wie ne de kan da na.
Amen.
Bradley.
Yeah.
Instead of now, me can't say me madam tired out and I didn't want me to say any so man tired out.
And you want for money? Wa mano. And
your madam gets it all day. Our NDC head of this meeting. It's your radio net.
All right. That's good. Hello, Jerry. I also want to thank God for His grace and love. God is good. Mercy of Beauty Door Salon, East Legon, American House. Yo, Mercy to Chema, why? And near you my farm where Beauty Door Salon, East Legon, American House. Chamuna. And two presbyters birthday. Presbyters of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. Nah, in fact, they are very wonderful people. Obi ene nere. Omu nerdy on birthday the same day. Nah, in fact, omu ye lovely people, like I said. Good people. Nah, omu for munyame sumuni agro. Enti Elder and Dickness Mrs. Boama. Happy birthdays and come on me now. Mrs. Ernestina Boama. Unuknu, Mr. Boama. Hey, my Nina. Nana, I was kind of wondering, say, Intino, when you wake up in the morning knowing that the day is for your wife, it's your wife's birthday, then your wife also wakes up and then also thinking, today is my husband's birthday, you know. How do you guys celebrate the day? And your mom birthday and the birthday said Christmas. No, I say, we should be Merry Christmas. No, so I can say Merry Christmas and I say to you. Was me and a moody day, no. Anyway, Yamin Shamo pa Uncle Sontin and Imuchemo, na on famo and yet Nejuma. Senior Moyanoda and even more. Happy birthday and come on with me in Yami and Shamo. Yanko Kaswana Yanko fa Pastor Stephen. Hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Pastor Stephen.
Good evening.
What to say?
Yes,
you're here. Papa.
Yeah, that is
good. Patrol, you
Jerry, me dan yanku bon asibiri se wahwe me me membaso asumdwemu na afia kwa private to yen na ya senwura sufufuru mu abedum pempeso anyame waye bi kase pa ya maye asidan ka urade bosumu me ne me mani na ya yare da ho na so urade na dom ohwe yen so esaye nyina yare asumdwemu aye da nyame ase na me da nyame ase o sufu pani na nkwan prophet kwesi ta ejeku. In fact nyame na me so ya ho wade yembe Amen.
Amen. Amen. Yes, you're that's a pa. Yanko Tema, na yanko fa great yafe. Great yafe.
Kwagu.
Edisai.
Adom sumawie po.
Beautiful.
Wunim say Adom FM. Mama great yafe are popular pa. Na no ayi twahia ayi Adom praise ya si a wudi medin tu. Ache baby amafabia na great yafe o jama wafia bibia majero ram se fiamintia afio. Adom na abo Adom sumawie pa. Enti kwaku ene se medan yamiase na medan yamiase ama Adom FM fo nyina se kwaku se after Adom president afin me first hour me ba
afin no ba radio so
yes radio no so enu ntinu ye da Adom FM fo ase papa come to live ko bia bo Jerry bia bo Adom FM body na Jerry ye mpenifor se udi du wonwum kroma udi mpem enti se ne se great you have come to live me se me bubu din na me ka se me bubu ade be tinti ma me bubu adoku binum din wate Jerry eni pede nzu anwene nam ye ne tema madam papa master red come to 11 opamado kwa red opamado come to 11 wa you opposite suya madam papa no so pamade ye freno John ono so me dan me asa man live afi madam could be Jerry come to 9 Master Ben your friend Ben Deck multimedia series say papa me code the bia na radio the Adom FM or the super guru atare o say o ma obi kura me tin mfi ho afi madam ba ko so pamade o 11 ya friend keke ni kunu your friend ala or come to 11 And I mean, I'm going so my fried rice, so come to let me.
You are fair.
Jerry, Jerry, Unim,
you are fair.
Go there, evacuation.
Ijana wa rases be bonu nwie. Oh, great you are fair. Hosanna, he reign. Yes, I. Your friend Jennifer Efia Kumi. You were a bit under the weather. I pray for God's healing power to locate you right now. In Jesus' name. Yes. Jennifer, believe it, so what? Yeah. Shouts going out to you. Yanko Kanation Yanko Fa Ajua. Hello, Sister Ajua.
Hello.
That's the same.
How are you?
Great. Me patrol yentie the other day radio area.
Madam Sinjame de Vaya Nyumoto.
Me patrol to Nyankwe.
Aya nyame. Nyame do di aya nyame o. Aya nyame a. Ese nyame do di aya nyame pa. Mesiane hunusa. Ababa mokoya. Anya nya wazini ho. Na oso me kudi. Aya nyame na ya. Sen Sawasuna de kone wama bravo mamine ayanyamio anyama wotibio ayanyame na ya.
Okay, you yada pa eno nyum to nyam hira wate.
Yo.
African then yours. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma.
I am blessed to be young.
Sammy Lou AJ. Oh, yeah, Sky Team. On one Chinese phone here, Sammy, happy birthday to you. Yamin shot, Mpacho Chia Sky Team phone na mama why. Ediana Matuse birthday party ne Baswo Tulip Inn Hotel. Shiashi. Just around Golf House one. Yeah, I be when you read it's Reggie. Yanko Tamani Yanko fan Nat. Hello Nat.
Yeah, Brad Jerry.
All right. It's Nat.
Nyamia do mo na wo se.
Yes, we are here pa we.
E da isa ti we we pa.
Yeti the radio I ma.
Oh, radio de wa ye bebre amaye. O che so boy ho ban. E de ye nkwan che de. E say ye da na se woni wa ye amaye nti.
Amen. Amen.
Enyu me Brad Jerry ma me kwa me chia adofufu bi.
Adofufu mo ti o.
You may meet Madame for Joseph or Committee One Market. And I'm a boss, Parkwesi. Maybe I'll be a Michano. Micha Arabasu or Committee 4.
Okay.
Yamin come on.
Come on, so we are dancing, Papa. And now don't shag at birthday.
When we go to heaven, we shall walk on.
And you're not there.
No more sorrows. When we go to heaven.
Don't shag it. Happy birthday, bro. Bibi abe fine, right? Ever for last 2 calls. I feel this year for call baby. Yanko Crown Newtown, Yanko for Lexus Bwedi na yenti ono so. Lexus at saying.
Brad Jerry.
Bibi aboko there.
Oh, Bibi aboko. Na send them wrong sim sa na line ata.
Oh, facha me minu na ya ne du baby na e hye.
Sa na tuma ni.
Yanko enim.
After that, can say, "Pan come out of the next more." For you know, saying Uncle Porsche and so not that's what can come to Crema double jail. What you dear to stand there in the castle. And now, back on so and coma, Adom from Puna, more marriage mania. I boy and company with him party. your boss said me fast that I say by mom.
Right.
It's a brother, my age, and oba dear, and say, and then I say, and will be out here, the Messia, and come along. So we have some more workers in the Yamiasi.
Yes, we had a massive come on.
No more starvation.
So Venice and more, my food nature, Chamina. It is a minute after 4 on 106.3 FM.
No more pain, no more sorrow.
Yeah, Unyan try the new Cerelac biscuit Libya. Bombardier Pebia Chakwa, now would you banana bro. In this season, part time here, woman say 1 mile back Cerelac biscuity, a man in the bin share. Would you banana bro? Make sure Sabama Bano. Edibinon when Yasa feel Libby. It is fortified with iron, containing proteins, vitamins, not just about friendly here for proper growth and development, both mentally and physically. And you are more about Cerelac biscuit here, not just one hand. Where's your flavors? How do you ban or choice with me? And to make sure, say, Oko market next time. Ubebisa say, what to say? I can't say a Brianna for Bia bar Cerelac 4 years new that day now. Your friend is Cerelac biscuit. Say, come biscuit no. Now the tibia was biscuity. Anubia. Now Banini no so feel no zampa. Or no so appear if you papa. You find last caller. Your friend Paul or Bing or Franco Barrier. A hono butu. A job in Yamuakaba.
Eja.
Now Boko there.
Adom.
Great. Me patrol you tiwe.
Oh, me danya miasi. When I wire, me a few. Do my own family there, so I may be my brother.
Fine. Unim for admitting say do and foul. But what the radiasino? Hey, they can near Radibeyama wate.
Amen.
A Radibe Sayare. One cassa bedroom won't tell us a bell one. Wate.
Amen. Amen. Najeri.
Patrol meet you.
Me have a number on the edging for movie.
So, only African Casa which or best sort out. Why?
Mati.
Now, baby, be a bear for his richly. Good afternoon, and come here, Mrs. Azu of Tamas Kitchen. And here, you might form more Tamas Kitchen now. Stephen Mitucha Mao. And to you, Vic. Now, Faye, Dede. Azachu. Also, there are the Asina. I'm saying, oh, Dimi Refi. Neba birthday. Atiafaso. Akufu Adom mi tuche ma. A special greetings they'll come on knee. A shout's going out to you, Nana Joa, not forgetting you, Rita. It is now 5 minutes after 4. Do check it time now. 4:05. 4:05 from Swear Car Bidding. A car bear a PO. 4:05.
No more crying.
Me patrol presec at 80. Anniversary Grand Debano. Ochinachi na Ebaso. Saturday, yeah, the 15th of September. Ewo presec school grounds. 10 a.m. prompt na Ebaso. Now Now this year, no theme there, that's say our powerful past, prosperous present, and prominent future. Chairman for the occasion here, Right Honorable Professor Odadie Mike Okwe, Speaker of Parliament, and our special guest of honor, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana. Oba dress code no, presec at 80 anniversary cloth no. Wapibie free na wapibia pimpamwa hye dia ba wai. Na bibia nso ai fine. Yame Adom a weekend Sunday the 16th of September. Obi's Place ewo Awudome. And afe Ice Bar ewo North Carnation or Himawe eje Ice Bar. Ehon ye de Adom edidie with Pokuya 101. Bro 8 a.m. na sha say hosted by Pokuya Wendy and then OPD. It is sponsored by Amalena Children's Heaven. Ehon abenya mofrani ya papa ni nyina. And afe Nana Techi Company Limited. It is spoiled by Pokuya 101 Concept and Adom FM. Ebeye ni jinkwa tiesre wa ya no baby wa oba be feeling so say me pacho asembi hamikakra na moma menka. You see, anytime minim the reason why, but anytime be a make kasafa sa de we hu no minyan panifo bi momo frɛ me ka kyem so Jerry aya to boase. The other day crowd opani bi nya me phones one frame me. He met me and he was like, Charlie, the other day, the way I now can road no one now, you know. I said, now, go for too much near there. We don't know you to be that person near there. But, truth be told, I did be one cost or my more. It looks as if you need penny for Krumua. Hey, yeah, so drive a car. Shanyama boy, Dimo Krumua say, Okoto, Kakititua, me drink a Kakitwa we are mitri ne shock absorber ne a hop complete 1,200 12 million. Now what tona dia show case na onam na wakohwe adu pum ne yase apai na wose kotofofo. Why? Enti this small portion on the Spring Test Road Tespo anymore keke ya ayese. Enti how many years and you debate me repair that small portion? Aden the same road no so na ba akakra wadu estate junction bank here on put the same. Is it GT Bank? Mention tabela sorry ICG's one. Look at the place. Na de me yan say nka wo dem kamunya portals na yedu ade ye hu say ye toto mu akwa na mo ba be twa de no square to say as if say you are going to repair it right now na mo asa gravels bia begum kan fa so be say 2-3 days na asa clear tile clear ayini na afim na bedane trap kakraka o ka sim say masa. What is this? And you see, it is causing problems when people are driving on the road. Obi enu person na car be boom, so they intend swerving. No they akwa ko hia car foforo na eba no. What is this? Na yeti ho as if some panifo ni kuro mu amfa kwan so mo tete V8 mu fa the bia twam ko basa. Upon the taxes we are paying and everything. Oko kan so wanu ye den do mu ade. Why? Umedu baby kuro mu atran kwa ya kra dodo. Awuche we na chi na we na sasa koso. Why? Why? It is not only that place. Yes, yet capital city and Cramponie. Now more what chichinji they do baby and me. Yeah, cross and crady who said the encano. Beach road to say, look at the kind of tracks and beach road you so. Most of the articulated tracks here contain a CC one farm motor here, a one offer. Onipa kuno be use Spring Test Road kura just wafa beach road so ansa be use Spring Test Road and be use ningua wa use hwe beach road no e dey back akraba be do your friends say Maritime University for Ofie Sakomo no ho kakra na ba hwe kev mu na dey ba Titanic ho ba hwe se dey kwan ho aye e ho so the same thing mo be twetwam sa so amonye Udu an articulator dodgy portal no dishia wa yourself I can't go rim. What is the meaning of this? Near Timosa. So how many years? And yet they repair just that small portion. Motorway the least said about it, the better. Motorway. I say you didn't graphics say motorway. Why should we call this motorway? Motorway. And then, yet, my car road where the one day pay. Ebi anyesa we boa payo owura na afi. Empo se na ade na no wan ko renew. Ye be show. Because o car no any road where the ancestor or car na fa kwan say examine o car no say it is worthy to be plying on that road. But we ask ourselves say e kwan na ye de nam so is it car worthy? E kwan na ye de car nam so is it car worthy? Near nam so sa na kunkum konforma and we don't care. Why? This ensuo anto anytime bia to ebe reni bia ensuo beto bia no accident is your motorway no so I say efe this ensuo anto na accident is your motorway no so road markings are no light ensuo no na fe ensuo ekon so asan tutu asa ensuo we can't repair it. Why? Wonam so asa wonam jungle baby there's a portion of them on the motorway wona what bang but that will be for US by makofa na fi airport aba wa ba fi aba relax fine na ade a ano permanent bakrom yenam that part of motor in one bang Jerry is there something wrong with your car? Mr. No papa how dey answer asema me can serious case na me can no me catch no there's nothing wrong with my car. It's the road. I said, no I don't believe this. No, maybe you have to pull off for us to check it up. Say no it's the road. You wait till me share na other side ya no cars will I'm say wait I'll switch to this side of the lane and you see it will stop. And pa me shift to car you running smooth. I say, hey, wow. And they're not doing anything about it. And I'm saying, hey, that's the kind of country we're living in. What is this? And you talk too much. The money, sir. I am some way to move in for Bruce and we do. If we ask him, baby, if when I am on the position, says so ye be net benefiting from one, yammy baby, so I don't. Good afternoon, Pastor Lenny Akpadi, and run your birthday, escaping Kakra. So happy belated birthday to you. Yesterday was your birthday. Nyamin Koswa Nuisha.
Shout hallelujah! Yes, the Lord God is most high. On the created everything. Without you, nothing was made. Jesus, heaven is your throne, and the earth is your footstool. You created everything. Without you, nothing.
Jim FM.
Jesus, heaven is your throne, and the earth is your footstool. Yes, you are the Lord, most high. 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 Yes, you are the Lord.
Ofie Kwanso. With the millions.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are the Lord.
106.3
Yes, you are. Yes, you are most high. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are the Lord. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are most high. Yes, you are the Lord, 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 most high.
Now me can say birthday semi review. Say birthday the 19th month. And a happy birthday in advance. Pastor Lenny Akpadi. Happy birthday in advance. Or say yes you are. You are the Lord, the Most High. Pastor Lenny Akpadi. 14 minutes after 4.
Your throne, and the earth is your footstool. You created everything. Without you, nothing was made. Jesus, heaven is your throne, and the earth is your footstool. Yes, you are the Lord, most high. Yes, you are the Lord, most high. Yes, you are the Lord, most high. Yes, you are the Lord.
into this one coming from Pastor Bernard Makwa. One more step. Greetings and come Ejuma for more Gapoha Hydro Department. You guys will enjoy the rest of the day. Ima Asem, Ima Jan, Solo, Kek, Israel, and Matthew. And not forgetting you, Ruth Ahin. If I try your baby tea, somewhere did you for a by kind courtesy Zoatem anti-malaria medicine and I feel Volta Catch Fresh Tilapia. Your baby shall somewhere did it to your home for just like Elijah. I will feel consumed so Adom 106.3 FM. And the race came flying around. One more step. I feel in tears and ready to young for a and asem wa ye dey tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so no asem no wo brofo kasem wo say value your time, maximize the use of your time, don't waste it on unnecessary things, and don't stop trying until your goal is reached. TBMU, value your time, maximize the use of your time, don't waste it on unnecessary things, and don't stop trying until your goal is reached. Ebre eniwom adesani penifo akato da enti esese utimi hwe na ebre awo no oma esombo ema ebre enya de a esombo ema ma wo bre ensombo na ebre a wo benya no fa ye ade esese wo de ye wo akonya so be ye bibi na mentwen se wo ye no chena esan se wo nim de beba ochena ebia na wanya bre na ade na aka na wanye enunti no se nyame ye wadon na odeda bi echew na osore ya bibi esi wani su bia peso ye bia no tusu anamon wantimi anwie kura eye che se wan koso kura na wan fa sanka kura men say wo bre en wadaje e won niema eso eni mfaso ade a mfaso embre. Don't waste your time on those things. Nemum kosoa na obotaya esi wani so no abreni nyina no obekoso atusu anamon enanye yi kura na osanya kwanya foforo sign try bim keep trying koso sa so obeya kopem se de ohwehwe no onsa ebetumi aka we ni asemo na ede etu yonfo empempi no ya yetai ya na ye jama aka o ochina me we na achema we an afi ochina be ba na de foforo aba. Then you need to attend to that one. Na ba kuna enra na esen ka ye no eno aka mu antimi anye, and you can't go back to yesterday to do that one. Me wan ka ye yen so anka aboa wo nti ebrede ayade ehuhia pa esese ye ma esom ye buye na nyame ye wadon na dum bi dum wa unya bra fire ade bi ese so de botai bi ade esu ni so bia no fatu so anamo se obetimi aye ho bibi se mpo sa da no ebekwa wie na wantimi anwie a sem di kan eye chense wan ko ho kra na wan fa nsan ka sa de no kra we ni asem we ne ye di tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM asem no once again or say value your time, maximize the use of your time, don't waste it on unnecessary things, and don't stop trying until your goal is reached. Your first was that my boy for my boy MAT. Voter catch fresh tilapia, Hona Binya tilapia, papa, at your boys, we are locally grown. And the it isn't Crawford Diamo, anyhow, without the use of any antibiotics in their growers. There be Eddie and one crying nanny, and mom runia their matches, or how be a moment in Tiarabia and your mumu. Tianosa, no real to me, or how be any H. Voter catch fresh tilapia is safe, a healthy come apart. Now, adopted the highest operational standards. In compliance with Food and Drugs Authority, Environmental Protection Agency, and then Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Requirements on laws in any pepe and edited Namima, Kama Sonko Crafi, Afro de Akena, Tibomadia, the branch and a budget tilapia, papa, and Nusu de, they didn't move fast war. Now, range, your Temamoto run about, or do any chim. Say wo call Michelle Kwanso benkum so na be hu afi upiem Newtown so ayo Malata ena Kaswa your ho Kumasi your ho Takrade so your ho ena other accredited agents across the country offering out chain baby awa e betro voter catch depot and say agent or ben on announce wetimi akwa be numbers ni 0544 346 967 afi 0544 346 976 na onye dingi town and right now say on here ma Zoatem anti-malaria medicine wey a very effective is two active ingredients here they are shemu enti onompa within 24 hours will be a malaria no abubu na gu no obesan so region na so say cream pa now on the third day obe check no na malaria parasite in the system no wagina na so say cream and what then abakra na sa o hwe bibi kura say malaria simbia ebi ni redeem bim ye ozo atem suspension on my eye no kama pa de amamofra no excellent and no kura orange flavor a man normally a mere crowd the mamofra no when Jones are bribia crowd the mom begia no mo anom any one penny for the no Zoatem fort na fe Zoatem DS no there you design in such a way say on more easily it absorbs into your system quickly pa say be ya a bit me asaya rent na on at all. We a nursing mother and as a pregnant woman, the patrol men would dribi, just a work consult doctor and son or ma kwanya. Wait me anobi. Ubenya be at all pharmacy shops out do train when she across the country. Do drop pano Tap Apple Healthcare Limited. Ye Watema Community 25 Health Plaza Building where Hona be here. Friend was 020 431 0031. Afi 055 000 5363 na dudu bia ohia bia no onsan so etimi aka right ya twaso akwanim na enche bia no ye de irrigated sports enso ebetwaso e de ama here on Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station na so go send this message road no as one can what's that I did do baby na ya Rubes ye mo boy I did do baby ya pass e be ban sa na ade na o hwempani fu en nanam kwan so na ade ara chese wa ko pe entino na no ye we die no ye okay o yemba kai we na na ya okay we na ye and yet for you made in any trust no why you trust near ye bu kakra ku ni ni mom hip hop kakra why mama jing na ye me rough asa me corner asa me bana mianka we kaboom the chadish mama jing na ye rough asa me corner asa me bana mianka sa me you know what I'm saying? Yes, yeah, the two better number 3. You know what I'm saying? Wait, I get brought for the key. You know what I'm saying? That movie that was America. You know what I'm saying? Ghana, hey, I real this big things. Take fresh shake, tell it, take your pick. You know what I'm saying? First thing, girl, make a wish. You know what I'm saying?